Hey guys, welcome to another vlog.
To begin with, we are exploring Hippie Island in Hampi.
The island is surrounded with a lot of cafes, yoga centers, Ayurvedic massages, spas, sound healing and whatnot. The best part of the day here in Hampi is the sunset. So now we are here at the Coracle boating station at the Sanapur Lake. So this would cost you about 300 to 400 per couple. You can take a long ride in the boat and then come back after the sunset.
Hippie Island is the other side of the Hampi. To reach there, you have to take a boat. It costs nearly 50 to 60 rupees. It's better to take a bike once you reach Hippie Island because it costs only 300 and other mode of transport is very less here.
We're staying here at the Tutti Tents in Hippie Island. So this tent right here costs us about 2,500 rupees for 2 nights and 3 days. But here in Hippie Island, your options start from 750 rupees per night. So the motto of all the hippies here in Hippie Island is to eat, read, sleep and repeat. And that's exactly what they do. This entire place is filled with loads of cafes. You can just go, grab a book, grab a coffee, sit down and chill for the entire day.
Vijayanagara Empire. Let's see what we can explore here.
So in the Vijayanagara Empire, the way to go about is an auto. That is the best thing you can do. So we got an auto for 600 rupees to see the entire place in 3.5 hours. So the first place we went to is the Vrikshaka temple and the next one is the Master Ganesha temple. Come on. So now we are all set to explore 3 different places. So one is the Krishna Bazaar. This bazaar was known for its spices and it was a huge bazaar here in the Vijayanagara Empire. And opposite to that, there's a huge Krishna temple.
We are near the Narasimha Avatar. It's a 4th avatar of Krishna. We believe that some people broke the hands of Narasimha to take some precious stone from that.
now here at the underground Shiva temple. This temple was built in the 14th century. This was given as a part of villages which were completely dedicated for the worship of Lord Shiva. We are now here at the Queen's Palace. So, this is surrounded by a watchtower, the Queen's Bath, and a lotus kind of structure. Let's explore what the luxury was back in those days. Okay guys, so that brings us to the end of the Hampi vlog. It gave us really good memories to be editing this vlog. Hampi is the only place that we've been to in 2020 and it was really refreshing. Hope it was the same for you. So hold on tight, stay home, stay safe, and let's see you after the pandemic in a new state or a new place that we've discovered recently. Leave your comments below on where you're heading to right after this pandemic. We hope to see you soon. Love you all. Bye bye.